Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
So you need to mail a payment to the IRS, and you're wondering, what's the address? This is a super common question, but the answer isn't as simple as just one address for everyone. The truth is, the correct IRS mailing address depends on a few key things, and sending your payment to the wrong place can cause serious delays and even penalties. So let's break it down. First, the address you use depends on where you live. A taxpayer in California will use a different address than someone in Florida. Second, it depends on the type of tax form you're paying for. A payment for a Form 1040 is sent to a different location than an estimated tax payment using Form 1040 ES. Third, it also matters whether you are enclosing your payment with a tax return or sending it separately with a payment voucher, like the Form 1040V. Because of all these variables, the absolute best way to find the correct address for your specific situation is to go directly to the source, the IRS website. Don't just Google it and click the first link. Go to IRS.gov and look at the instructions for the specific form you are filing. For example, if you're paying your annual taxes, look up the instructions for Form 1040. In those instructions, there will be a section called Where to File that lists all the mailing addresses, broken down by state and whether or not you are including a payment. Another crucial point is the delivery service you use. The IRS has different addresses for the U.S. Postal Service versus private delivery services like FedEx or UPS. The USPS addresses are typically P.O. boxes, while the private carrier addresses are physical street locations. Using the wrong one will cause your payment to be returned. When you do mail your payment, make sure you do it correctly. Always make your check or money order payable to the U.S. Treasury. Never send cash. On the front of your check, in the memo line, write your social security number, the tax year, and the form number, for example, XXXXXXXXX 2023 Form 1040. This ensures your payment gets credited to the right account. Also, be sure to include the Form 1040V payment voucher. It's like a deposit slip for your tax payment. Just place your check and the voucher in the envelope, but do not staple or paperclip them together. Honestly, mailing a check is becoming an outdated method. The IRS strongly encourages taxpayers to pay electronically. It's faster, more secure, and you get immediate confirmation that your payment was received. You can use IRS Direct Pay on their website to pay directly from your bank account for free. You can also pay with a debit or credit card, though there are processing fees. For business owners or those who make regular estimated payments, the Electronic Federal Tax Payment System, or EFTPS, is another excellent and free option. Using these electronic methods eliminates the worry about mail delays, lost checks, or sending it to the wrong address. It really is the safest bet. I hope this clears up the confusion about where to send your IRS payment. Getting it right the first time saves you a lot of potential headaches down the road. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more straightforward tax and finance tips. We'll see you in the next video.